people who are learning English or who want to speak English, they are usually very interested. I really admire them. See, they are not somebody who are just sitting at home and doing nothing. They are learning English either to get job, either they need it in their work, or they want to travel the country, or they want to upskill themselves. That's why they are learning this language. And you know what, it has been around 6 or 8 months I'm learning this language, and I'm speaking this language, and I'm using social media platforms to interact with the strangers. And you know what, on such applications my call got connected with many housewives. And you know what, I'm really inspired from housewives. See, they are handling their children, they are tolerating their husband as well. And you know what? Some of the housewives, they are living in joint family, and they are handling their family as well, like mother-in-law and father-in-law, everything, and household chores. And apart from all these things, they are learning this language as well. See how they are managing time and having conversation with strangers every day. See, that's why I'm really inspired from such people. You know what, English learning is not just about listening English and watching videos and just learning grammar rules. It's not just about these things. When you start learning English, then you put yourself in the uncomfortable zone. सी, शुरू से ही कोई भी ना किसी को भी स्ट्रेंजर से बात करना पसंद नहीं होता. बट as we are Indian, so we do not have English environment. So that's why we use social media platforms like on which we can connect with strangers so that we can practice English speaking. So that's why we try to just connect with the strangers. What I believe, like every person have some story, some experiences, different perspectives to share with somebody. So when you interact with strangers, you learn so many things. And when you interact, like when you start interacting, then you start learning English, you start speaking English. And apart from these things, you start gaining confidence as well, that yes, I can also interact with strangers. And you start listening English, then you just jump to this video and another video. We are watching, like we English learners, every day we are watching ample amount. Like every day we are watching several videos to just learn English. And you know what, in those videos, like different videos we are watching, so every day we are getting the knowledge. See, I will not hesitate in saying this, like before learning this language, I was a dumb girl. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था, पता है, मुझे किसी के बारे में कुछ पता भी नहीं था, और कैसे बात करनी है किसी से, कैसे कन्वर्सेशन को होल्ड करना है, मुझे पता ही नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं आता था मुझे, पता है. बट जब से इंग्लिश मैंने सीखना शुरू किया ना, मेरे तो सारे पर्सपेक्टिव से चेंज हो गए. लाइफ के लिए जो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव था, माई पर्सपेक्टिव वॉज वेरी नेगेटिव, एंड आई यूज टू थिंक लाइक नो, आई हैव ड्रीम्स बट आई कांट अचीव दैम. आई यूज टू थिंक लाइक दिस. बट एवर सिंस आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग इंग्लिश, मेरी तो लाइफ ही बदल गई यार. दैट्स वाई आई से, लाइक इंग्लिश लर्नर्स, भाई इंग्लिश लर्नर्स को कभी भी हल्के में मत लेना. दे आर समवन हु वांट टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट in their entire family. They want to do something different. That's why they start learning English. And yes, there is no one in the comparison of English learners. That's why I say, if you are also learning English and struggling, so देखो, नया रास्ता चुना है ना, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स तो आएंगी. ठीक है, आप डिफरेंट हो, आपको यूनिवर्स ने कुछ अलग रोल दिया है. ओके, सो योर रोल विल बी डिफ़िकल्ट, बट यू नो, उसने, यूनिवर्स ने आपको रोल दिया है, इसका मतलब यही है कि आप उस रोल को निभा सकते हो, आप उस रोल को हैंडल कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू से, दैट यू आर अ इंग्लिश लर्नर, सो यू हैव टू लाइक स्टॉप making excuses. You know what, just a few days ago, one girl messaged me, and yes, like past 1 month I am suggesting that girl just tips and techniques, that do this and do this. And you know what, like I'm putting my efforts, I'm putting a lot of efforts to teach that girl. And you know what, every day, like, that girl is making excuses. When I say, okay, interact with strangers, use such applications, so she always make excuses like, oh no, I can't speak English, when जब मैं बोलना शुरू करती हूँ तो मैं नहीं बोल पाती हूँ. शुरू तो करो, एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट. देखा जाएगा नहीं बोल पाओगे तो शुरू तो करो. She says like, I can understand English and listen English. See, every English learner have such problems. Everybody have. So like, मैं मतलब इतना कोशिश कर रही हूँ उसको सिखाने की, पर फिर भी लाइक, तुम अगर रोज़ के रोज़ एक्सक्यूजेस ही देते जाओगे तो फिर नहीं. वो एक्सक्यूजेस तुम मुझे नहीं दे रहे हो, अपनी लाइफ को दे रहे हो, अपने ड्रीम्स को दे रहे हो. तो अपने ड्रीम्स को होल्ड पे रख रहे हो. मेरा क्या जाएगा. पर मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मतलब ये करो हर दिन, दिस ग्रामर्स यू हैव टू लर्न एंड सच थिंग्स. बट शी इज़ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग सच थिंग्स. यू नो वॉट, हियर इज़ अ आंट and I hate her. You know what? She's very much worried about me. Whenever I just try to shoot videos and whenever I take my classes, so just she keep her eyes on me only. अगर इतना ध्यान अपने बच्चों पे रखा होता उसने, तो उसके बच्चे आज तक कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लिया होता उन्होंने. Whenever I do something, so she just take care of me a lot. Like, what am I doing and doing. Okay, I don't want to spoil my mood about just talking about her. So yeah, I was talking about that girl. So I will say, dear, please stop making excuses. Please stop. Only yell like, see, a plate is in front of you. You are hungry and the plate full of food is front of you. अब उसको सूंघने से, उसको देखने से तो आपका पेट नहीं भरेगा. आपको खाना पड़ेगा उस खाने को, तभी जाके आपका पेट भरेगा. ओके, सेम विथ इंग्लिश लर्निंग. इंग्लिश सुनने से, लिखने से, पढ़ने से आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी, टोटली नहीं आएगी. ये सारे इनपुट हैं, आउटपुट भी आपको देना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ ओनली स्पीकिंग. ओके, सो यू हैव टू स्पीक वेदर यू आर कंफर्टेबल और नॉट. लाइक, सपना ही यही है कि इंग्लिश बोलना है, तो फिर इंग्लिश बोलने से ही तो आएगी इंग्लिश. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से. लाइक, you know what, now I have stopped replying that girl. Like, she's very negative. I don't know I have to say this or not, but see, you should be passionate about learning this language. You should be passionate about learning this language. That's the only thing that can motivate you to speak English every day. See, these days some family issues are going on, that's why I'm not making videos regularly, but hope everything will be fine very soon. Then I will make videos. Like, my mama is sick, so I do not get much time to just write the script and making videos and shooting videos or editing. Everything is not possible for me these days. And as I am taking classes as well, and I'm giving classes as well, spoken English classes I'm giving, so everything is not possible. Like, I have to do household chores and taking care of my mama, and hospital भी जाना होता है उनको लेके, तो I'm not getting that much time. But yes, I still try to make videos and I try to help, because I feel like English learners are so amazing and I love to help them. Whenever I make videos and I edit and I upload, I feel so happy. I feel the purpose of my soul. So yes, everything is fine and you are amazing. Do not feel demotivated. Everything is amazing with you. You have every resources. At least you are watching videos. That is the only thing. And you just turn on subtitles and speak, repeat. Everything is in your hands only. Nobody is stopping you. Only you can stop yourself. So use your time wisely and दिस इज़ द ओनली लाइफ. हमारे कर्म इतने अच्छे नहीं हैं कि हमें यूनिवर्स और भगवान, गॉड, अल्लाह, वट एवर यू बिलीव, हमें दूसरी लाइफ दे देंगे. आई डोंट थिंक सो. मेरे कर्म इतने भी अच्छे नहीं है. बट सो एक ही लाइफ है, जी लो अच्छे से. जो करना है, जो पाना चाहते हो, जो गोल्स हैं, अचीव कर लो उनको. ओके, डू नॉट मेक सिली एक्सक्यूजेस एंड वी एवरीबडी हैव सेम टाइम. जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक दैट टाइम. Try to manage your time. Okay, let's see you again. I don't know when I will make videos. I'm not sure about it, but let's see. Till then, bye and take care. I hope through this video I motivated you, and just pray for me. Okay, bye.